Surprising health benefits of sweet potatoes. 1. Prevents vitamin A deficiency. Sweet potatoes are an amazing source of vitamin A because they contain high amounts of beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is transformed to vitamin A in our livers, and every molecule of beta-carotene gives rise to 2 molecules of vitamin A. Vitamin A is needed for helping the body fight various infections and remain resistant to infections in the future. 2. Manages diabetes. On the glycemic index scale, sweet potatoes are categorized as low to high, as they can minimize the occurrence of insulin resistance. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar into the bloodstream very slowly, as compared to the other starchy foods. This steady release helps in controlling the levels of blood sugar of individuals. 3. Reduces stress levels. Sweet potatoes have a high amount of magnesium, which is an important mineral for the body to function properly. One of the most valuable advantages of this mineral is that it helps to reduce anxiety and stress. Deficiency of magnesium is linked with higher risk of stress, depression, and anxiety. 4. Promotes anti-inflammatory activity. Sweet potatoes have a good amount of vitamins that have great anti-inflammatory properties. Moreover, it has a high concentration of choline. Choline is a versatile nutrient, and one of the best benefits is that it reduces the body's inflammatory response, thus resulting in lesser inflammation. Sweet potatoes also contain anthocyanins, which are important for preventing and reducing inflammation in colon cancer cells and reducing cell proliferation in certain cancer cells. 5. Prevents, protects, and manages cancer. Purple-fleshed sweet potato is especially effective in fighting cancer. The elements in this can inhibit the growth of specific cancers like gastric cancer, breast cancer, and colon cancer. The high anthocyanin levels are the reason for anti-cancer activity in breast and gastric cancer. 6. Helps to guard ulcers. An ulcer occurs when the inflamed tissue is shed from the skin or from the mucous membrane, which can be very painful. The extract from sweet potato is good for protecting gastrointestinal tissues from aspirin-induced ulcers. 7. Minimizes the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Complications such as atherosclerosis occur when there is oxidation in the body, which can lead to the development of many cardiovascular diseases. The extracts from sweet potatoes contain high levels of polyphenols, which will suppress oxidation and thus reduce the risks of developing cardiovascular diseases. 8. Contains antimicrobial properties. Sweet potatoes have some amount of antimicrobial activity. The extracts from these potatoes contain antimicrobial properties which fight against the bacteria responsible for typhoid and pneumonia. The fiber content can also reduce the development of foodborne bacteria. 9. Sweet potatoes can boost fertility. The high doses of vitamin A in sweet potatoes makes the vegetable ideal for consumption by women of childbearing age to enhance their fertility. Studies on animal models have shown that vitamin A plays an integral role in improving reproductive performance. Research has also shown that a deficiency in vitamin A can lead to secondary infertility in women of childbearing age. Sweet potatoes also contain a healthy dose of iron, which is a crucial mineral in promoting fertility in women of childbearing age. Reports indicate that anemia, or iron deficiency, is a cause of infertility among women. These reports have shown that treating the iron deficiency by increasing dietary intake of iron usually results in women being able to conceive a few months to a year after the treatment. Other studies have found that an increase in dietary iron intake reduces the risk of ovulatory infertility. 10. Sweet potatoes are also memory-enhancing foods. Studies have shown that the anthocyanin contained in the sweet potato possess memory-enhancing properties. The underlying belief here is that the antioxidant properties of the anthocyanins are what make sweet potatoes memory-enhancing agents.